We're making vegan keto pumpkin choc-chip muffins. Let's go. Quite a few people have been asking me to create vegan keto recipes, and this is my first one. Now, I normally refer them to Heavenly Fan, which is the only vegan keto recipe creator that I know. This recipe is totally adaptable to a non-vegan, and I'm going to talk about it while we are making these muffins. Your nutritional information and shopping list with 2 sets of measurements is listed in the description box. Let's get into the recipe now. Preheat your oven to 320 Fahrenheit or 160 Celsius. Add 2 teaspoons of chia seeds to a 1/4 cup and then fill it with boiling water. If you are not vegan, just set aside 1 egg at room temperature. Let the chia seeds rest for about 10 minutes. To a bowl, add 1 cup of almond butter, a 1/2 cup of pumpkin puree, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of pumpkin spice or cinnamon powder will do, 1/4 cup of powdered sweetener. Add the chia egg now or your normal egg, whichever one you're using, and mix a little. It doesn't have to be fully, it's just to help it along before we add the chocolate chips. And lastly, add 1/4 cup of sugar-free chocolate chips. Regarding sugar-free chocolate chips, now if you're vegan keto, you would know whether you can add chocolate chips that are vegan friendly and sugar-free to this recipe. If not, and you can't find any, just leave the choc chips out. I just used avocado oil to grease the muffin tray and then added the batter to each casing using an ice cream scoop. Bake at 320 Fahrenheit or 160 Celsius for about 25 minutes. Check out all the sides and the inside. With the chia egg, you don't even need to bake these, or you could even make truffles. Oh, these are so delicious. They are, I can't actually believe. Oh, what's up, Chris?
They taste like those old Christmas cakes that you used to get, the good Christmas cakes you used to get back in the day.
I know, the flavors are still hanging in my mouth.
It's really just dense.
Yeah, dense,
the right word?
soft, and then you get the chocolate chips interfering with that, and it's really, really good. I hope you get to try it and let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe and be well.
Do you have any more?